Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on the tutorial on how to adjust your expansion. This is Timex, and then recently they just did a collaboration with Supreme. So it is exactly the same model. They just dropped the gold and then the silver edition, and this one is the gold edition, except the Supreme has the see-through red box logo right here in the midsection of the digital display. So anyway, there's no collapse right here, so just an expansion, and then it fits into your wrist just like that. Okay, so if it is too big, I'm going to show you guys on how to adjust it. Since I already adjust mine already, so this is just a tutorial for you guys if you guys have a longer links or watch band. And then there are like two methods on how to do this, so I'm gonna just show you the easier way. So you want to go and then inspect the inside of the watch band. There's nothing that's outside. I'm going to show you guys the first method first. You're going to flip this watch band and then just wrap it around it. So your watch looks like this. By the way, I show you guys a tutorial on how to change this watch battery. Be sure to Timex. Okay, on the back of the cover, it is in the same direction as the front. If you put it in the backward, upside down, on the back cover, your speaker on the back right here will not sound. So just give you guys a tips on that. So you want to go ahead and then expand your watch band. Okay. This way, the method number one is harder to do. I'm going to zoom in real quick. So as you can see, there are like 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2 on each side, okay? And the problem with this is you have to keep your watch band expand, and you will need to use like a flathead screw driver to pry this thing out. And then the reason I don't like to do this is you might scratch the gold right here, either the left or the right hand side. You're gonna scratch it when you try to pry out. Some people, they use it like this, and then they yank it this way, but you still need to play with it to get the tab up. You need to fold it up on both sides, and then after that you could remove this gold cover right here. So that is method number 1. Okay, method number 2 is that I'm just going to pry it out the tab right here, almost the same as the one that I showed you on the method number 1. So be sure to push it. Okay, and then I just yank it up. Or you could try to use this prying tool. What you try to do is just push up. And then you will do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you push against right here so it doesn't bend. And then after that, you need to do either this side, the left or the right hand side, okay? You need to do the same thing, pry out the top, pry out this thing, open it up, because there's like a U-clip. So let me just do that so you can see. Okay, so there's a hook. There's a U-clip in here. So you need to take that one out. Okay, I'm going to use this the needle pointer to pry out. So this is a U-clip. Okay. So this is the U-clip. And then you could just so yeah, you will need to open this side as well, or else it will not allow you to disengage. So there are two hooks on, one hook on each side. One clip on each side. There's another one right here. That's in here. So I'm going to put it back together right now. So yeah, you need to open both sides, this side and that side, or else it will not come out. And then the hook, it hooks into that hole right there. Okay. And then make sure you push in. Just use this to push in. Now I'm going to press this in. This tab right here on the edge. I don't like to use a metal on the outside, so you won't scratch it. Try to use a plastic. All right, so that looks good. And if it doesn't feel right, you want to push in more, then yeah, right here it's gonna come in. You can push in on this side more. Want to make sure there's nothing else protruding out. Make sure it feels smooth. If it's not smooth, then you can just need to push in a little bit more. That feels good. Okay, so that's how you adjust your expansion for the watch length. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.